Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create gig on Fiverr for beginners. So the first step you simply need to do is to search in Google Fiverr, and you need to open Fiverr and create your account, and then you need to click on My Business and click on Gigs, and here you can see an option of create a gig. Click on that, and here you can see gig titles. So I'm going to write I will do video editing in Premiere Pro. So you can select, and after that you need to select the category. Okay, and here you can add the gig metadata. So I'm going to select YouTube videos, and here you need to enter the keyword. So I'm going to enter video editing. You can add 5 tag maximum, then you need to click on save and continue. And here on the pricing page you can select the packages, and you can select the footage provided by buyer, running time, so all details related to video editing. So I'm going to enter the detail, that is basic, and then standard, and here I'm going to add premium. So I'm going to write 5 minutes video editing, and here I'm going to let me copy that so it will be much faster. Okay, so I'm going to add 10 minutes, and I'm going to copy that, and here I'm going to select 15 minutes. I'm going to select delivery time. You can select according to your choice. So this is the random things I'm doing, so you can select. So I want to do that and do this all in premium, and revision 1, revision 5, revision. So let me add the unlimited revisions. And if you want to add Shutterstock media, so here is the pricing. You can select pricing from here. You can select license music track. You can charge for that as well. And okay, and once it is, then you need to click on save and continue. You can select the pricing. So let me enter the pricing. Okay, 35 for that, 55 for that, and 80 for that. Okay, then you need to click on additional revision, so for an extra $50, subtitles for extra $20, and then you need to click on save and continue. So here you can see that. So we can add it to 32. Okay, and make it 77, so it will be 78. Okay, and then you need to click on save and continue, and here you need to enter a description. So I'm going to enter I will edit your video in Premiere Pro according to your choice, and will do everything that you need to create, that you need I will do everything that you need, including color grading, motion graphics, and etc. If you have any question, contact with me. If you have any question, contact with me. Okay, once you done that, you simply need to, if you want, you can add FAQs as well. Then you need to click on save and continue, and here you need to enter the requirements that your buyer need to give you. And after that you need to select I need a raw footage. I need a raw footage. So here you can select the attachment, click on add, then you need to click on save and continue. And here you can see the option of gallery. You simply need to enter your gig image, and after that you simply need to click on publish. Once you're done that, your gig will be created. So this is the process by which you can create gig on Fiverr for beginners. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.